That's my real 20-second episode how I speak English every single day on camera until get fluent. Yeah guys, welcome back. Oh damn, that's my water. Yeah, today I will do IELTS speaking questions again, but another video.
Do you like to go on holiday in the mountains?
Definitely I like spending time in mountains because it's fresh air, it's a sport activity for your body, for your health, for your mental health. At the same time it's useful, really. But I don't really go often to the mountain because I live in such a place, in such a city when we don't have this huge high mountains, don't have this opportunity. But when you, for example, in some vacation in the south, Russia south, when we can find a mountain and just take a trip to do hiking.
Are there any hotels in the mountains in your country?
Obviously, Russia is a huge country, the biggest country in the world, and obviously we have different places to spend your vacation. It can be a sea, it can be a mountain, snow mountain, not snow mountain. Anyway, you can find what you like, and yeah, we have really expensive resorts, high-class premium resorts in the mountain area, where you can find 5-star hotels and spend vacation the best way as possible.
Now let's talk about trees. Do you like trees?
Obviously, I like trees. Who doesn't like trees? This is our nature, this is our planet. I like trees, kind of a Christmas tree, because they provide us by a lot of oxygen, and this is undoubtedly useful, healthy for our lungs, for our body, for maintain of our mental health and physical health. Yeah, this fresh air, and I like palms, but in Russia you can barely find the palm tree, only in the south and the sea resorts.
Are there many trees around your hometown?
Sure, yeah. In my hometown, I live in a village, and our village is surrounded by forests, by trees, a lot of different forests, huge forest, and filled with animals. But sometimes dangerous animal can kill someone. It's I'm talking about bullshit. Literally, I grew up in a forest.
What are the benefits of planting more trees?
We can find a lot of benefits of planting more trees, because firstly, the most clear benefit is that trees create oxygen. This undoubtedly helpful for people, for our population. The second is just beautiful. It is beautiful to stand around, surrounded by trees somewhere in a forest, and maybe meditation. It's really help you to refresh yourself, to get new energy, just take a rest, just relax, and put off your phone and spend time with the beautiful nature on our planet.
What time of year did you enjoy the most when you were a child?
When I was a child, it was definitely summer, for several reasons. First reason is we didn't have a school in the summer, have a summer break. That was great. When every single day you can get up in any time what you want. You don't need to get up at 7 o'clock and go like a robot by school, like in a prison, like a slave. I'm saying, walking on the streets with your friends every single day, play football every single day, do absolutely free, spend time absolutely like you want to spend it.
Has the weather changed much in recent years?
I have really definitely noticed that reason had been changed in this year. Cause when I was a kid, I just remember this winter, minus 20, minus 25, minus 30 degrees Celsius, minus 25 degrees Celsius. This was normal. This is normal for everyone. No one was shocked. And sometimes we even didn't go to school because of this highly low temperature. Just classes was cancelled so not to die during the way to the destination school. But now, have you seen this winter in Russia? What was this? The lowest temperature, what I remember this winter in Moscow, probably minus 10. I don't know, minus 15. I didn't remember minus 15 even. How is it possible for Moscow? Such a warm winter weather, we can literally clearly see this trend that the climate is getting warmer. All right, this kind of questions we got today. So thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.